Hey, it's Rich B and AZ. This is 2nd of January, so it must be tire changing time. Yes. Okay, so we got these low profile tires, actually Michelin's that were taken off. They've gone about 60,000 miles? 50,000? Yeah, they are toast. So we're putting these on. These are ZX rated, or
Lexani.
ZR rated. There it is over there. And they're 40 profiles, so they're a little stiff. But we got a method figured out. We just loosened up the back one. We did the front one already. So I'm going to show you where I'm jacking it on the back. Okay, so on the back I'm jacking it up right at the suspension mount, which is a really good place to do it because suspension can take the weight of the car, and it's level. It's nice and level right there, and you only have to jack it up a couple of bits and then the wheel's off the ground. Okay, so I'm doing a check balance on the old tyre. The valve is right here. I'm going to spin it round. You can see how high this line is compared to the edge of the tread. It's waving a bit, but you can see, yeah, it's a little bit heavy where the valve is. So it's lost a bit. If it was balanced initially, it's lost a little bit. But we will fix that when we put a new tyre on. So here we go. We're going to see if we can't get this one off. We've got a couple of depressors over this side to keep the bead down in the drop center. We've got to get the bead on the other side. This is where the valve is. So I want to pull the tyre out where the valve is. So just shove that in. There we go. Let's see if we can't. This up a little. Mind your arm here. There we go. Okay. So we've got it coming out. Here's the one with the tape on. We'll need that to stop the bead chasing me round. Not just yet. We'll stick the tape end in this gap, the other end. Right, if you hold this down, I'll start pushing this round. Okay, can you get that tape in? Let it flat, like this. Yeah, just like that. In a minute you can let go of the big one. Got to stop that one moving. You hold it like that and just keep it there. If it will stay. The 16, the big one, you can start letting off the pressure. Here we go. It's off. First bead's off. Yeah, that was tight. Right, I'm getting the second bead off. So I've got this big lever down and just about to hook it over the Hunter tool. You can let the pressure up on that a bit. Oh, slipped it. Do it again. Pull it up and over. Going to go in there somewhere eventually. That's the bead stopper.
I'm going to lift this up.
Well, you can start pushing that round if you want. This one can come out. Oh, slid off. Now, yeah, start again. Right, flip that over. Down. Start pushing it around. I'll keep this end down. Go ahead and push. Stop a minute. Get this out of the way. Okay, push them down. Yep, go ahead. Keep going. Is it in the drop center? It should pop soon. Yeah, keep going, you're getting that. Oh, stubborn little bugger. Keep going. Oh, look, that bead stopper's moving. It's over.
Okay. Another one for a
This
heap.
one's got a
Nail in it.
Okay, this is my static wheel balancer. Fortunately, the hub from my Scion XB Mark II matches this Corolla. So I'm able to use this to do a preliminary hub balance. So I just looking for it to go down. It doesn't, this one seems pretty good. It doesn't really want to turn at all. It's well balanced. The other one, the first tire we did, had a little bit of imbalance. It was just a tiny amount, barely noticeable. Right, so got the tire lubed up. Looking for the yellow dot, which is here. Okay, I'll get it up. Now, hands clear. No pinch fingers. I'm going to see if I can get this on just by pushing. The last one I was able to do it. It was a bloody miracle. And
There you go, bingo.
miracles happen. So we need to finish about here so that we don't.
Into the
So
valve.
eventually, I want you to stop the bead about there. So if you come around to about here, yeah, I'll be chasing you with this. Down, stay down. Okay, I think you can take that out now. Well, no, actually, just hold. Like that.
Oh, there.
No, don't pry it down, just hold it.
down.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, it's tight.
Yeah, let me do a pull on this. Just tighten it. Might need another one. Ah, there we go.
You getting the valve over there or no?
Yeah, hang on to that. That'll
Yeah, you getting it. There it goes. Bingo.
got it. That's a bit of a struggle. Must be tiring. Get it?
It's time to retire.
Okay, airing it up. Last time we had to take it all the way to 50 foot-pounds and hit it with a rubber mallet to get it to seat properly. Hopefully it'll do better this time. I added a bit more tire lube, so it should go. There's the back one. This front one gonna go. It was the front one that gave us the problem last time. It's over here where it's not coming up. Nearly at 40 psi. They were at 50. I'm going to have to whack it with the rubber mallet again. So we'll take that off. So I'm doing the laser balance now on my ball and stool method. I've added 2 weights over the opposite side, and here's the laser. I'll get a bit closer for you. So it's very close to just over the top of this tread line. I'll spin it 90, well 180. And there it is, it's just crossing that line. Can't get much closer than that. So I've got 2 1/4 ounce weights on, and that is about as close as I can get static balance. Okay, so this wheel I'm doing on the static balancer. This wheel is showing some signs, it did, that it wants to drop to about where the valve is. Notice it's stopping now, it's going to go back. So I'll mark that position where the low spot is, which is right on that. And I'll come up this way, give it a little shove, and it will go through the bottom hopefully and then come back. And it's coming back to the same spot. Okay, so that's the heavy spot.
The valve?
Is right close to the valve. It's not quite the valve, it's a bit here. Right, so started roughly around 9, maybe a bit later. It's 2:30 now. So yeah, slow, but got them all on.